After a good snowfall, which many of us did see, it's always nice to see that sunshine come back out, and that's exactly what we have here over Fargo. It took a long time for the clouds to clear out today, but it has finally happened. And we look at our forecast moving ahead here. See 30 degrees right now in Fargo. West wind still pretty stiff out there at about 21 miles per hour. And again, those clouds slowly breaking and will continue to do so across the area as we head into the evening hours. Grand Forks, 27 degrees under that partly to mostly cloudy sky. West-northwest wind at about 15 miles per hour. Satellite radar, and you can see what's happening off to our west. Clouds continue to exit to the east. We've got a lot of sunshine to close out the day off to our west. Still some cloud cover as you see in Minnesota, but that will eventually clear out as well. Current numbers, yes, they're chilly out there. We knew that was happening. It's going to be chilly for the next several days. We've got 30 in Fargo, 24 Devils Lake, 26 in Jamestown, mid to upper 20s. Areas like Bemidji, Park Rapids, Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, Alexandria. Now you factor in that wind. You saw the wind speed, 21 miles per hour in Fargo, 17 in Grand Forks. And again, that's having the impact. It feels like 17 in Fargo right now, 15 Grand Forks. It feels like 11 in Devils Lake, 13 in Jamestown. And as you see teens all over the place. I love this viewer photo. This is Ozzy checking out the first snowfall of the year. Thank you, Angela Mortensen, for sharing this. This was in Jamestown. And again, I love that. Not to be outdone, we had the cat. We've got to have the dog out there too, right? Daisy enjoying the snow in Fairdale, I should say. I want to thank Judy Bakken-Adams for sharing that photo. Hour by hour, clouds decreasing. We're already starting to see it. Going to continue during the overnight hours, allowing those temperatures to really drop off. We're going to see a lot of teens tomorrow morning. So we're going to have some sun when we wake up. At least some will. Some will be mostly cloudy, but everybody's going to have those cold temperatures. The nice thing, the wind will die down tomorrow, so we're not looking as big of an impact with the wind chill. And again, tomorrow looks like a pretty decent day. A lot of folks can get sunshine for the better part of the day. Colder air mass, yeah, it's kind of entrenched right now, but especially look here Tuesday, just in time for Halloween. Another little shot of that chilly air there, and then we'll start to moderate a little bit for the second half of next week. Afternoon highs tomorrow right at freezing for Fargo. You see the areas above this white line here. That's where we're not even going to hit the freezing marks in mid to upper 20s. Devils Lake Basin, James River Valley as well, heading farther south. Again, right around that freezing mark on Sunday. Not much of a change. In fact, these numbers very similar. We'll see a partly cloudy sky, and that cold air, as mentioned, it will continue in our 11-day planner. See a little breezy, potentially Sunday and Monday. 32 degrees, lows in the teens. For Halloween itself, 16 the low, 30 the high. And again, the numbers start to warm up a little bit, but really even down the road looking toward next weekend, and we're talking next weekend, still going to see temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. Could see a few snowflakes here and there on some of those mostly cloudy days, but generally dry.
All right, we'll keep an eye on it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Russ.